Hi, my name is Nia Hamilton, Sales Engineer at DataRay. Today we're going to talk about our BeamMap2, the unique patented multi-plane scanning slit beam profiler with true 2D slits. The BeamMap2 solves two traditionally difficult problems with laser beam profiling: measuring tightly focused beams and measuring real-time divergence and pointing. With each rotation of the puck, the BeamMap2 is able to detect the laser transmitting through the pairs of true 2D thin sapphire scanning slits at 4 different locations along the optical axis, with 20 total measurements per second. It's even able to evaluate m² for your beam in real time. Most scanning slit systems use slits that could better be described as scanning tunnels because of the actual thickness of the slit in Z. Our true 2D slits are comprised of multiple opaque layers deposited directly on a sapphire substrate. This allows for an approximate 400 nanometer or 0.4 micron slit thickness. This is 30 to 60 times smaller than the commonly used air slits, which generally range between 12.5 microns and 25 microns. Additionally, our sapphire slits are thermally conductive, allowing direct measurement at a higher irradiance than our camera-based beam profilers. Measuring small beams is where the BeamMap2 excels. With misaligned or unfocused beams, the BeamMap2 can deliver axial misalignment or pointing data, indicate the current focus direction, estimate the beam waist diameter at focus, estimate the off-axis distance of the focus, estimate m² and beam divergence, all in real time. The multi-plane scanning slits and robust software package enable real-time focus finding. Once you've found the focus, you now have access to the measurements for focus position in Z, the X and Y centroids, divergence, beam waist diameter, and m² with a sub-micron repeatability at 5 Hz. As with all of our systems, you can interface to C++ in Visual Studio, LabVIEW, Visual Basic, and many other applications through ActiveX. Examples and sample code for these are available on our website. Your BeamMap2 should be carefully selected, as there are many different plane spacings available for different applications. We offer 50, 100, 250, 500, or 750 micron spacings. In addition, for very well collimated beams, we offer the BeamMap2 Collimate, which has a significantly greater plane spacing of 5 millimeters. This allows for real-time, accurate divergence measurements. The BeamMap2 comes in both single detector and dual detector models. The different detectors enable use at 2 different wavelengths. While both detectors cannot be used simultaneously, it is very quick and simple to switch between, and the alignment assistance and quick focus capabilities, switching between takes just a moment. In addition to the BeamMap2, we also offer the BeamR2, a single-plane scanning slit profiler with the true 2D thin sapphire scanning slits. BeamMap2 can be paired with a number of accessories, including our Lens Plate 2, which can re-image inaccessible beam wastes, magnify beam wastes which are too small for accurate measurements, or focus a collimated beam to allow for m² measurements. We offer documentation online at our website, www.dataray.com. Here you can find information about the device, our software, and interfacing with third-party applications. Thank you for joining us for this overview of the BeamMap2. If you have any questions, please contact us.